Hello guys, Messi from Kaysan IT Solutions here, and today I'm going to show you how to add a contact form to your website. For this purpose, we need to use a plugin to create a contact form. If we go to the dashboard and plugins, and here we can click on add new and search for contact. And two of the most popular plugins to create contact form is a contact form 7 and WP forms. So as we already installed WP forms in our template before, so we don't need to install any new plugins. If we go to the left section here, we have WP forms. So just click on that. And here we have no forms yet, so we create a new one, add new. Now we are in the template section of the we can choose the template for our contact form, and I'm going to just pick up the create a simple contact form here. We can edit our form here. In the left side we have some fields. We can add them to our form, like number we can add like here, and then click on the this button, and okay, it was a mistake. Let me add the number, and then we can click on that to edit. Okay, sorry. And we can edit here cell phone, and that's it. So we can save the form and close this section, and now we have a simple contact form here. So the next step, we go to the pages and choose the home page with Elementor, and then go to the keep in touch at the bottom of the page, and now we can add the contact form here. So click on the tools, and here we can search for WP forms, and we have a WP form here. Just drag and drop. Okay, and now we can select the form from here, simple contact form. Apply. Yeah, here is a form, and update. So if you go to your website and just refresh, the form is here. So in the next video, I will show you how to send the emails and through this form. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.